Okay, Aaron, you ready for your first bite of food? Do you think he likes it, Gabe? No, it's not for you. You won't like it. Ready? Do you like it?
Soup? Soup?
Yes, it looks like soup.
There's soup?
Here, Gabe, you want a bite? Is it good?
It's animal. Status. Animal. Animal.
I'm not sure what that word is.
Animal.
Another bite?
Bite.
Okay, you can have one more bite. We're starting early this time. 4 months, not 6 months. Because of my little picky eater. I won't name names.
Some?
You can see him right now.
Some?
Gabe, no, please.
Some?
No more. This is for Aaron. I didn't make very much. Gabe. What are you doing? What? You spitting it out? Gabe, no. This is for Aaron. I'll get you something else in a minute. Are you being careful on that chair? What? This is very exciting, isn't it? Do you think he likes it? Oh, he's getting it. Oh. All right, give me my spoon back, turkey. Whoa. It's really all gone, isn't it? Oh, I think he likes it. That makes 2 of them. Is that good, Gabe? You're going to drip it all over yourself. All right. What's today? February 15th, 2012. Aaron's a little over 4 months.